So social media is a rage these days, and every small businesses, home businesses, even the smallest thing, homemade cakes and all, are trying to get onto social media for using it as a medium for marketing themselves. And a lot of them are doing it the wrong way. So let's today discuss how what they are doing wrong and how they can correct it. Okay, so see you after the intro. So welcome back. Uh, I really wanted to talk about this thing yesterday that happened on Instagram. That I usually engage with the hashtags that my prospect customers might be using and also the community members might be using. So yesterday I was searching for home businesses or business India something. Yeah, business India, and I saw recent post and there were like 20 to 30 posts in 2 hours. She was just posting the product that she was selling, and I really thought it might. I don't know about Instagram algorithm and all. I just know I want to use it and I'll be using it the proper way that I think. But I thought Instagram might take that thing as spamming, right? Posting 20 to 30 photos in two 2 hours. Yeah, the first photo I saw on that thing was 2 hours ago. So I just DM'd her to find out if she was getting any what do you call it, leads from Instagram, and she said yes, she was getting. I don't know if she was telling me the truth or just covering up if she thought I might be her client. So I reached out to her on DM and I asked her, and she said yes. I just informed her that it might look suspicious for Instagram for doing it that way. So small businesses or those who just want to just those who are just getting started with this thing, they should understand that the spamming, you see, you as a normal human being won't like to get a call from a, a bank or something like that every day, right? So I don't know why this thing got disconnected. So you don't like to get calls from banks and selling services regularly, right? So that is spamming, and this putting out content on social media for this thing is also can also be considered spamming by the platform itself. So what you can do, you can use some scheduler, like free Instagram and Facebook has their free scheduling tool. What do you call it? Facebook Creator Studio, and another paid tools as well that can help you schedule some extra stuff and with extra ease. But that was the main point that got me into this topic. So today, so this week, this month rather, I'll be trying to cover different topics on different days. Like I'm experimenting it with that on my content creation thing. So Sunday is social media Sunday, and so social media Sunday. So let's talk about social media. So what exactly do we consider social media? Social media is not your business. As a small scale business, if you start your business, even if you're building your brand, personal brand, you don't want to sell social media, right? You want to sell yourself. So concentrate more on your business thing and less on the social media. What do you call it? You're just growing the numbers on social media. That's what small businesses do. That I am not talking about those who know social media and all those things. I'm talking about those who are trying to use it and are lost. Like I was lost myself when I was trying to create a social media presence for my wife's business, and it was like, damn, I was going for the numbers so badly that I was like, the follower following ratio and all on Instagram was crazy. And we were thinking, we got so many followers. I mean, not that much followers, but so many followers in that much amount of time. Why aren't we getting like business out of it? And this was the wrong thing. So this year when 2020 pandemic hit, and I got time to spend on learning these things, so I found out we were doing it the wrong way. So we decided, we learned, and we changed our strategy, and now like she is getting maximum business out of Instagram currently. So the point here is uh, how to use social media for marketing. So social media for marketing. So marketing is just letting people know about you, your product, your services, your brand. So don't. It's not marketing. It's not selling. Social media is selling. It's social media marketing. So remember that. Social media. Have you heard of the word social media selling? No. You have heard social media marketing, using social media for marketing and those kind of stuffs, but not social media selling. So concentrate on marketing, letting people know about you. And marketing, when marketing comes to my mind, the first thing that comes to my mind is the sales funnel. And social media is the top. Actually, you can use the whole social media for whole process if you use it wisely. So, what else I can put in this topic today is, yes. So let's consider Instagram. Yeah, in that marketing funnel. So Instagram is like where you get reach. You reach on explore page, right? Explore pages, you reach on explore page. So hashtags, you can reach on hashtags. So what what kind of things reach on Instagram on explore and hashtags? Reels and the posts, right? Currently only the reels. Posts are not getting that much reach. So use the reels to reach out to more people, the top part of the funnel. And then when they uh, come in contact with your profile, use them to, like, what do you call it, educate them more, the middle part of the funnel, where you uh, kind of try to make them informed about the product, the service, the betterment of not your product or the service, the detail of the industry as whole, because they are not in your industry, they don't know the nuances of the industry. So you need to tell them what is good, what is bad in that industry, how to select the good, how to bifurcate what's not good. So that can be one thing you can consider while doing the post thing. And so post is for educating, the middle part of the what you call it, sales funnel. And on the later part of it is, you can see, once you people are following you, they start seeing your stories on Instagram. So Instagram stories can be used for the creating interest in your product or services. That time you start telling more about the product and services. And when people reach out to you in their DMs, that's the point when you start selling. So selling in DMs is a good point, but again people tend to take it the wrong way, because selling in DMs, when I see uh, people selling in DMs, like they are reaching out to you every day and asking you, hey, if you want this kind of service or if you want this product or not. That's not selling in DMs. Selling in DMs is like, selling is, I don't know what to say about this thing, because people misconcept selling so much. Selling is not just giving your product to that person and taking the money. Selling is like connecting with that person and helping him out with the product. Like, you don't be a salesman, saleswoman. They just want to sell out the product. Try to find a way that your product will be helping them, and then give it to them, so they'll buy it and they will be more than happy to have it, right? So I guess this day was very this video was very confusing. I don't know, tell me in the comments if it was confusing or if you got some different value out of it. And this is just me trying to uh, articulate my thoughts on video, so that first thing, I can get good with video, and second is articulating thoughts on this thing, I can watch this again and refine the thoughts and use it somewhere else. So that's the main point, motto of this podcast and YouTube video. mm, this video was bet around everywhere, because I didn't had any pointers. I didn't made any pointers today. I was trying to see if I can actually speak out my mind in a better way. So next time I'll try to get the pointers for sure. So with that said, thanks for giving your valuable time, and hope this video brings. If you're still watching this video, I would really recommend you to check out my Instagram posts, because those are really refined ones, and uh, like people who posts reach out to are really like appreciating the thing I'm putting in, the effort I'm putting in those content. So with that said, let's wind up this video. I'm also vlogging along with this process, so that I can show you the backside. So I'll just link the vlog over here, and also uh, in the vlog I'll show about talk about this video. So let's see how this thing that I have decided works, and you can check out what I've decided in that vlog. So by the way, it's really getting over the time, so bye bye.